Be the one, be the one. My phone case is empty and I think I'm ready. Hey guys, Dru Chen here. I'm a faculty at RP's School of Technology for the Arts, Diploma in Sonic Arts. And today I'll be answering your burning questions. Let's go. Keith Lim 5113 asks, how old are you? And we got a few others who asked the same question. Wu Chang, Fat Jiggly, and Radiohead Fan 55. Well, my friends, I am 33. How do I pronounce his name? Huda Bursch? Okay, Huda Bursch asks, what's the most interesting part of your career in the arts industry? The most interesting part, and probably the most meaningful part for me, is to interact with artists and creatives who are younger than me and also older than me and across generations. And then we can see how we all contribute to the arts development in this country. Throwback Johnny asks, who is your favorite Singapore singer? It's too many to answer in one interview question, but I'm a big fan of Shye, S-H-Y-E. Go check her out, she's awesome, she's blown up.
Okay, do you think you can sing for us one music from Shye? Maybe the chorus?
Hang on, what's that? Let me look for her song. Be the one, be the one. My phone case is empty and I think I'm ready. Cookie asks, why Dru so oppa? The dreaded question. Well, my friends, I guess I watch a lot of those K-dramas and things like that. My wife and I do find them quite entertaining. So we watch Hot Stove League and Dr. Romantic and stuff like that. It's pretty dope. Yeah. Okay, last question. Donovan Lim X asks, where are we able to intern for year 3? I'm a Sonic Arts student. Great, glad you asked. So for live sound, you can check out Marina Bay Sands. We've got Resorts World, Sentosa, Star Performing Arts Center, and the Show Company. If you're interested in sound design, we've got Crave Effects. We've also got MediaCorp and Ubisoft. And finally, if you're into music production, you may want to check out City Music and Luther Music. These are some of the internship companies we work with. Right, that wraps it up. I hope I've answered all of your burning questions. I hope you look forward to the next AMA with the next FASI, and I'll see you in school. Annyeong.